Shopify extension helps with the integration of convert tracking script, which is used for A/B testing any web or full stack app. The tracking script within a Shopify store allows to track purchase conversion of customers within the convert app. So let's start the integration of the tracking script within the store. I have created a demo store here, and let's start by logging into the convert account. As you can see, I'm already logged in, so I see this page. And let's click on the new project button and create a new project. For the sake of this demo, I'm going to name this shop demo project. And for the URL or main domain of the project, let's copy the URL of the store and paste this here. You can ignore these settings for now, and let's click on the start project button. As you can see, a new project is successfully created. Now we need to set up a new goal and an experience for our project. Let's click on the goals tab and create a new goal by clicking on the new goal button. For the sake of this demo, there are a lot of other goal types as well. I'm going to create a revenue goal to track conversions of purchases of customers within the store. Click on the revenue goal button and you'll see this page where you can create a new revenue goal. So the goal name, for the sake of this demo, I'm just going to call this shop demo goal, and the description is going to be this is a demo goal. Now from these two options, let's select manual revenue tracking and hit the save goal button. Now that our goal is created, let's create an experience as well. So we can click on the experiences tab and click on the new experience button, and there, for the sake of this demo, I'm going to name this experience shop demo experience. Again, for the URL, let's go to the store, copy this, and I'm going to paste this link here. Let's select the experience type to be AB and click the create experience button. As you can see that the experience is created successfully and it is loaded into the visual editor, but we don't need that for now. Let's go back to the summary by clicking on the summary button, and let's edit the goals. We can edit the goals by clicking on the edit button in the goals box. So edit, and let's select this shop demo goal, and also let's make this the primary goal. We can mark this goal as the primary goal by clicking on the options menu here and then click on the make goal primary button. After doing that, let's save these changes. Save changes, and as you can see that this experience is updated successfully, and now our primary goal is the revenue tracking goal. But the status of the experience is still in draft mode, so let's activate this experience as well. We can do so by clicking on this status drop down and click on the activate button. Now that our experience is activated, you'll see you will get redirected to the report page, and there isn't any data on the report page for now. So now let's create some API keys that we're going to be using in the store and in the Convert Shopify Experiences extension. We can create a new API keys by clicking on the accounts drop down and then clicking on account settings. Next, navigate to API keys tab and click on the new API key. We can name these API keys anything you would want, but for the sake of this demo, I'm going to name this shop demo keys. And let's select the project as well. We can select a project by clicking on the projects drop down and clicking on the specific project that we created in the previous step. This is important because the project that you select the keys will have access to that specific project only. So now let's click on the create button and a new set of keys is created for us. Now it's time to start the integration. Let's go back to the store where the Convert Experiences Shopify extension is installed and click on the Start Setup button. Next, let's copy the API key and the API secret. So I'm going to copy this by clicking on the copy button, paste this here, and now let's similarly copy the secret and paste this here. Let's click on the connect button and you'll see that it'll ask us to select the project configuration. For the project, we'll only see the project that we selected in the API keys step. So let's select the project, and the currency of the selection is going to be USD, and the checkout goal, I'm going to select the revenue goal that I had created. So click on here and click the save button. Now that the goals are saved and the project is selected, we can also track other goals as well. But for the sake of this demo, let's only track the revenue goal. And let's click on the check tracking script button to see if the tracking script is installed or not. We can click here and it'll show that the tracking script is not installed, and we can click on the install tracking script button. Let's click here and it'll take us to the customize store page and it'll show us the app embed. We have already activated the app embed, so now let's click on the save button and the store is saved. Now if we go back and click on the check tracking script button, it'll show us that a tracking script is installed. Now that a tracking script is installed and also our goal setup is complete, let's go to the store and try placing a dummy order to be able to test whether our integration is fully complete or not. From this store, I'm going to place a dummy order as a customer and check whether our integration was complete or not. So let's go to catalog, then select the test product, and I'm going to click on the buy it now button. From this form with dummy details and place an order. So we can fill out this form with any details. And now let's click on the pay now button to create an order, and also let's see if this conversion of a new purchase is being tracked within the Convert Experiences app or not. So as you can see that the order is placed now, so let's go back to the Convert Experiences app. From the projects list, let's select the project that we had created in the previous step and click on the experience. And now let's go to the experience report. As you can see on the complete overview page that the purchase of 49 USD that we had placed on the order is being tracked. So the experience integration of the tracking script is fully complete. Thanks for watching.